So Blink just launched the non-custodial account feature for the first time in 6 years. And here is how you can open your very own non-custodial Blink account in just 30 seconds. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you're on the latest Blink version. So I would advise you to go on Google Play, go on Zap Store, go on iOS Store, go on any store storable and download the latest version of Blink. After downloading the latest version of Blink, the next thing for you to do is to open the app. So once you open the app, you will be greeted with a very, very welcoming UI. So the first UI you would see is the create new account button and the login or restore button together with the Blink logo. So this is very unique because initially there is no restore in this UI. So let us see how fast we can open our very own non-custodial Blink account. So if you're creating your account, click on the create new account button, and after clicking the button you would see two options. You would see the custodial option and you see the non-custodial option. So click the non-custodial option if you want to hold your own keys to your phone. So I click the non-custodial option, I click continue, and you will be greeted with the terms and conditions. So click accept. Easily you've opened your Blink account, nothing else. You see, very, very fast, less than 30 seconds. So this is your Blink home screen, right? So let us back up this account. So go to the settings button, and in the settings page you would see a clear banner that is telling you that your funds are at risk. What this banner is trying to tell you is that you should instantly back up your seed phrase so that just in case if you lose access to the account, you can easily restore your account through the seed phrase or through your keys, which is your seed phrase. Okay, if you want to back up your seed phrase for your non-custodial wallet on iOS, which is the iPhone devices, the interface is different from the Android. I just made that discovery now. The iOS interface clearly shows the Apple iCloud option and the manual backup option. But for the Android interface, there is the Google Drive option, there is also the password manager option, and there's the manual backup option. Regardless, these are different options that would enable you as a non-custodial users to manage your seed phrase, in the most effective way possible. So use any option you want. It's left for you to decide what to use, right? But for me, I just recommend the manual backup because it just gives me that flexibility and the responsibility to hold my funds with my own hand. When you're done with that, it's done. You just have to go through the step yourself, click continue, then click the button to save, depending on the option you went for. So when you're done saving your account, that is the final step. Also, in this new Blink non-custodial account, you also have an option to set your lightning address, and that is very, very cool. So a little backstory of Blink. Okay, Blink started in a little beach town in El Salvador, and it was built so that anyone could use Bitcoin without having an headache. Now you've got that same simplicity with a feature that allows you to hold your keys. So let's go. So if you've now gotten to a stage whereby you've backed up your stuff and you lost your phone, or maybe you want to transfer your account to your second mobile or your second device, here is how you can do it. When you download the Blink wallet, you would see the login or restore button. So go ahead and click the login or restore button, then go for the non-custodial option again, and after clicking the non-custodial option again, you would see an option for you to restore your wallet, and you can only restore your wallet from your backup if you backed up your seed phrase or your keys on Google Drive. So you would have to restore it through Google Drive. If you did it through password manager, you can easily select the password manager option and you go for it. If you just put it down, like copied it down on a sheet of paper, you can go for that manual backup option. So whatever option you want, Blink is there for you. So just go now, update your app if you have not updated your app, and choose the Blink non-custodial and take full control of your Bitcoin. Your keys, your Bitcoin, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Let's go and let's keep blinking.